Hey guys, the Gadget Man here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions on the Ceyomur CY65 Bluetooth Wi-Fi trail camera. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download the Game Camera Pro 2 app. Okay, I'll throw a picture up in the top of the screen to show you what those look like. All right. So then once you've got those things downloaded, go ahead and open that up. And you're going to open the app up there. You can see it coming up here. Now I'm going to throw a screen recorder view up here because of the, the reflection on the screen. It's going to be difficult to see on the camera. Okay, so once you've got the app up, it'll come first to the Bluetooth and it says turn Bluetooth on. Okay. Now, what that actually means is connect to Bluetooth. So we're going to turn the Bluetooth on, and it's going to scan for the Bluetooth. All right, so it takes about maybe up to 10 seconds for it to find the Bluetooth network. When it does, it will appear right here, and you can actually rename that in the app if you want to, but let's just go ahead and click on that. Now, it takes about 20 seconds for it to actually establish the connection with the Bluetooth. So there's multiple steps to doing this, okay? So once it establishes that connection, then it will go to Wi-Fi, all right? So the only purpose of the Bluetooth is to actually turn the Wi-Fi on. You're not going to use the Bluetooth to actually look at pictures and videos on your camera. The only thing that the Bluetooth does is turn the Wi-Fi on. So once the Wi-Fi, this screen comes up where it shows the Wi-Fi, click on Turn On Wi-Fi. Okay, and it's got a countdown of about 10 seconds, but it actually takes about 20 seconds for the Wi-Fi to come on. You'll see a little red light start to blink right here. Even though that light's on, the Wi-Fi is not, network is not detectable yet. Once it goes to the normal screen, go to Wi-Fi settings right there, and then it'll search for Wi-Fi networks, and as soon as the Wi-Fi network is available, it'll show up here. Sometimes it will connect automatically. Sometimes you need to click on it, but still, you can name that whatever you want. But right now it's named as Ceyomur, so we'll go backwards, and you'll see the little green check mark. All right, now on this camera, it will not allow you a live view on screen when in video mode. But if you switch to camera mode, there we go. We'll get the live view, and if you want to see a wide angle view, just turn your phone sideways. Okay. So there you go. All right, so in the app, you got a lot of options. Okay, you can actually take photos and video by hitting the button here if you want to. Okay, it allows you to see how it's set so you can frame the camera and get it set exactly what you want it to capture. All right, if you want to look at the videos and images captured, just hit the little deer in the bottom left-hand corner, and here you can see the pictures and stuff that is taken. Okay, so looks like there was a deer here last night. Let's see what we got here. Okay, you click on that, and yeah, there was a nice deer that came by. All right, so you can look at your images. Now, if you want to download one, just simply long press on it. You'll see a little green check mark appear, and hit the little arrow up in the top, and then that's downloaded to your phone, and you'll see the little blue diskette, which means save to your phone. Okay, if you want to see it saved to your phone, you can hit the local up top, and that will show you the images that are saved to your phone from the camera. Okay. All right, now, if you want to see videos, just hit the little toggle button down here at the bottom, toggle over to videos, and there you have your videos. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a good shot of that deer that came through. Okay, all right, so now we've downloaded the video. It takes a little bit to download the video. It's a nice big buck there in the corner. Wow, that's nice. All right, I want to download that video to my phone. I want to see that, so I'm going to hit that. If I want to choose another one, I can just actually tap now and tap the videos I want. So I'll hit those three there, and then we'll hit the download. And it will download each video individually, and you can see the progression bar there as it goes. And then all three will be downloaded to my phone for later viewing. Okay. All right. If you want to delete some, just go ahead and do the same thing. There's a couple of videos of me and the tree, and then we'll just hit the delete up there, and we'll delete those, and that saves space on your card. All right. The app also allows you to go through all the settings on the camera You can adjust them, do what you want with them, and it's very easy. It's a lot easier to do your settings on the app than it is actually in the camera using the buttons. So that's a great feature, and that's how you do it. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later. Hey, the Gadget Man here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new feature that YouTube has announced called Super Thanks. And this is the viewer ability to basically give the creators a tip. You know, we don't make a whole lot of money from our videos, especially me. I do a lot of work on my videos to try to make them good for you. And, you know, I do them because I want to help people out. But, you know, it's good to be appreciated. So if you've got a couple extra bucks, I'd appreciate it if you throw them my way. If you don't, please enjoy the video. They're out there. I put them out there for free so that you can. But, you know, I would appreciate it if you could. Thanks a whole lot, and have a great day.